Hello friends, today I have come to you with two stocks, and one of the very stock which is vibrating, a lot of vibration, gives lot of money also, and this stock is, friends, the Asian Paint. Asian Paint, this I have put on charting.com, and the moving averages are 15 and 10. It is 1 year chart, and it has been put at, for better understanding, the closing price, and I have updated it, and also I have got MACD with it. So let us little analyze the stock here. If you really see the stock here, that the stock is actually trading near its support, and support is around, say, coming around, say, 1530. Now 1500, and one by one actually I am coming to you here. The support is around 1530, and right now on 14th May it is trading around 1547. This is actually the latest price. Now when I say support, how much is the support? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times actually it has gone up from here. So it is very difficult for it to break the support here. Fine. And as far as the volume is concerned, see, so far the volume actually has not come. And this volume I am not calculating because today it is early in the morning, the whole day is there. Fine. Then friends, we see as far as the RSI is concerned, RSI is wonderfully placed at 36.38. Maybe that it might fall down 15-20 rupees, it is quite possible, but I will say it is a grand opportunity to buy. And then when you see the hexagram, or first we will see the MACD. This MACD is a blue line, and in a day or 2-3 days this MACD actually will go up, and the hexagram also is already showing it is a little bit declining, so it is in the uptrend. Now two things are you can do, see, when there is a cross you can buy, but in that case the price you will get is 1600 rupees, and secondly, if you buy today, it is available somewhere around 1547. Now this particular stock, what has happened is that, see, this stock actually in the last 1 year, fine, so this has gone, say, one time up, then it has gone cross to cross, second time, then cross to cross, here the crosses, it has gone 3 times, again I am putting one more cross, this cross is another cross. This is, I am only talking of cross to cross. Every 2 months time, 3 months time, this gives you the cross and cross, and then again it has given cross. So you can imagine, what kind of money this stock actually generates. And again there will be a cross and it will go up. Now my point is that how much it can go up. Let us see that also. The maximum limit actually of the stock going up is, at present, is roughly about 1900 rupees. That means from 1500 to 1900, if you say, this is roughly about 25%, but this cannot go in one stretch. What will happen is, the around 1604 there will be some sort of resistance will come here, and after that, once the resistance is here, the next resistance will be somewhere around, say, this price, or let us say this is below 1700, and eventually what will happen, after this, somewhere around, say, this 750, like this, it can go up to 1886. So you have wonderful chance. All the traders have a wonderful chance of making almost about, say, 20-23% in Asian Paints. Friends, I have purchased. It is up to you. You can also check with your broker if you can buy it or not, but yes, from my side it is a certain buy. You see, after all, it is a share market, this can go up and down. There are no issues on this. Everybody knows the share market can go up and down and anything can happen. But now this is one more stock, and this stock is Nippon Life Sciences and Asset Management. We call it NAM India. Again, I have put the stock in the charting.com only, and this share actually is a grand share according to me, and it has, you see, the way it has given earlier, the way it has given, right from somewhere about 244 rupees up to 370-80 rupees, it has given a, you see, this is, I have just drawn a trend line. You see, I have just drawn a trend line here, I'm sorry, this cannot be a trend line. I will draw a better line. If you see like this long trend line, and it was actually indicated price was 430, but actually it gave a sell here, and now again it is going up. Now if you see actually the RSI is wonderfully placed at 45.98. You can wait for some time if you like, because results will be shortly due. And then when it comes to the hexagram, though it is not very promising at present, because size of this greens are very small, but still what I feel is from 244 rupees this stock, friends, can conveniently go. Let us just check up to what price it can go. The first after this will be somewhere around 260, right? You can see 1 2 3 4, and after 260 another about, say, this the stock can go up to, say, roughly in the area of 280. So 244 to 280, again friends, it is roughly about 15-20%, which can happen anytime. And if you want to keep it for a long time, the stock can still go up. But the thing is that it has given a cross here. If it goes up, then it is likely to go up to 260 and 280. It's a good money. And every time you have to check, because the resistance is actually, it has to break. The next resistance will come around 320. So nowadays, the market is not too good to predict anything which is for a very long time. So I say that whenever you get 10%, 20% at the resistances, fine. At that time you quit. Actually, that will be much better, unless until the market sentiment actually is very good. So friends, my first choice actually is the Asian Bank. This opportunity has not to be missed at all, and you can have from 1500 to, say, 1800, 300. This 20% is too good a money. Fine. So if you like the video, friends, then I will request you to please subscribe to my video, and join me on Facebook also. And I would like to have your comments whether this Asian Paints, how did you like Asian Paints, and how did you like Nippon. If you have any other share in mind, then please let me know. We will discuss those shares also technically. One person has just asked me about Tata Steel, and I should say this Tata Steel is actually not a very good share, and therefore one must really avoid it, because it is already trading at a, I'll just put Tata Steel. So this is actually not a very good share, and therefore I am not subscribing to the view of my friend. See this Tata Tea, the way first of all, Tata Tea actually depends upon its entire production on China, and everybody knows today what is happening in China. And then also this is consolidating for a very long time here. And see how the fall, it is falling for quite some time. So where is the hurry of buying the share? I think the steel sector or metal sector one needs to avoid. Friends, thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.